Welcome to the Epsilon Racing Program, where we are not 7, but it looks like we are. Stay tuned for more updates as we deal with jank exhaust modifications, brake pad wear out the ass, Sam can't pass for shit.
Cody, the strap did not hit the...
I'll move it, it's okay. I'll plug on your seat.
Got him.
We're just here to have fun. We broke the car, and by we I mean Nikita broke it.
Me?
Nikita broke it. So we're fixing the car. We gotta fix the exhaust and we gotta fix the wheel studs. I have a sneaking suspicion the exhaust actually caused the lug nuts to fall off. Oh, just kidding, I don't know if that's possible.
There's a lot of forging goes from this tube to that tube, so like by the time enough tubes bend, I mean all that, you know, like I've had like fucking, I was right where like the whole ass of the car would be like this much shorter, and I'm like, hey, how's my rear tire? Like, hey, you have no rear end left, you know?
I have a whole nother set of these at home, but
I staggered a good one, so we at least have...
Sam, we're getting the full endurance race experience.
Yeah, this is legitimately the best endurance race experience you can have.
I would just like to drive.
Adam, you want your fucking racing gloves?
No, it's not hot anymore.
that's good. It'll
You have vice grips?
I do.
We're putting the exhaust back on. We're fixing our broken ass flex bellow failed. Our vibrant flex bellow failed. So we're making an emergency fix on the exhaust.
Yeah, something that made noise before, right?
Sometimes you get in the car and the car gets in you.
Do me a favor, jam that in. Oh shit. Take this forever.
Well, somehow the exhaust broke on Adam. I went on that. They were supposed to talk to him, but they didn't. However, the car broke under me, and then they came to talk to us about the exhaust. And yeah, almost hit a wall, but it was very fun while it lasted. I got 5 laps, so hopefully I can do more.
Good to go?
Good to go, sir.
It's the end of the race. I think we did well. The car is very broken. We lost 4th. Can't go bye-bye, so we gotta fix it. We broke a lot of stuff on the car. But that was really fun for our first endurance race. This car needs a lot of stuff done to it. We're gonna load up, go party, eat, and go home. I'm tired.
Car
Has exploded.
How? Where'd it go?
It's in the transmission somewhere.
It may come back.
It may come back. We lost 4th. 4th blew out like 4 or 5 laps before traffic. So I just drove 3rd to 5th for the last 4 or 5 laps.
You hurt your wheel with a red.
Oh, yeah, that's when Sam hit that Miata.
Woo! Same wheel?
That's bang. That's bang. Mia's got circles on it right now.
Sam, you
Right,
did
Sam?
this. You should sign it. Right here, sign it. Sign it. Put your signature on
If
it.
I have to sign the whole car, I'm gonna run into ink.
So the Saturday event's over.
We broke everything. All of us. He broke everything. I broke everything. He broke some stuff too.
The 2 welded diff kids came, or I guess he's not welded.
Yeah.
Nikita broke his car and he didn't even drive for us this
Yeah,
weekend.
I broke a controller.
He broke something. He's always good at breaking things. And then the Civic is at hot pits because we parked the car, but the Miata is leaking fuel everywhere.
Oh no.
So,
Hey, and Randy came by.
but yeah, we're gonna go eat and we're gonna run tomorrow for fun. No longer competing because car broke. But there's a yellow Evo that's cool, and I know you took B-roll of it. Now we can put the B-roll of the yellow Evo in, even though it's out of order. Cool!